Back, friends. I have I would like to answer two questions that a lot of my viewers are asking me. One they are asking is, sir, these stocks that you are recommending, are these for long term or short term? Time and again I have mentioned you have to look at the nature of the market. Okay, this market currently, the way it is positioned, is not one where you can invest for from a 5 year perspective. This is the question a lot of my viewers are asking. This is not the market. I'll be very honest. Whoever watches my videos, subscribes to my channel, which we hardly recover even our cost anyway. But I'll tell you very frankly, this is not the time to invest for long term. I love long term investing. In fact, I prefer to give stocks for the long term, which I will be giving also. But this is not the time to invest for long term. I will be explaining also in detail, and I think that one of my uh, assistants has said that we need to make some videos more from an educational like perspective, which I'm going to do very soon. Just we are adhering to his views, and also to our subscribers, whatever you people want us to make, please do mention. We will make that as soon as possible and give you. So this is not the time to invest for long term. Another question people are asking me is, what about the Kalyan Jewelers IPO starting day after tomorrow, I believe, 16th. Now see, lots of people are on the YouTube now. They are coming out with analysis, my assistants have pointed out, and they are coming up with the objects, like they are into jewelry design, right? I mean, all that, right? You've seen they have over 121 showrooms located across the length and breadth of India. So they're quite well known that way in their sphere. They have got some good brand ambassadors as well. Bachchan sir is, as you know, popularly, right? He has been a strong brand ambassador for Kalyan Jewelers. And in fact, if you remember, many who have been following my videos, just a few videos before I had mentioned that you're seeing more ads coming of Kalyan Jewelers, so Kalyan Jewelers IPO is coming. But if you really look at the revenue and the profitability, and I don't want to bore you with all these Excel spreadsheets and whatever, you can read that anywhere. There is a high volatility in the profitability from quarter to quarter, from 6 months to 6 months, 9 months to 9 months, whichever way you compare. They are not steady. Stock markets reward steadiness in performance, not unsteady earnings and all that. So from a long term perspective, this may not be the best place, but short term, just because the markets have been exuberant, you may see some listing gains only from that perspective, because people have become crazy. That's another perspective. But definitely, whenever I see wide variations in earnings and performance from quarter to quarter, it's not the best place to be. Markets like steady rise in earnings, steady rise in revenue, and steady rise in profitability, and that you cannot see in the financials of Kalyan Jewelers. So this is my opinion on this particular issue. Be careful. You can wait and see if they get some more steadiness in their performance down the road. Gold prices have come a little bit down, or people, whether they increase their purchases of gold jewelry, is possible, and that can help the revenues. But looking at the current financials, it's not a steady growth from quarter to quarter, 6 months to 6 months, whichever way you may look to be. So that's my answer to this. Long term, if you want to invest in certain stocks, we will give you, but you have to wait for that time to come. These recommendations are short to medium term, which I'm giving you. whoever would like to join my Telegram channel, feel free. There is no compulsion on anybody, but if you like, we have some detailed information, and all we are recovering is some data costs. But there is no, if you are, we would be happy. We try and go out of the way and give you, anyway we do, but give you some more detailed information. So my number is 982-086-1044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.